In the northern part of Fujian, China, a modern valve casting base, Lianggu Fujian Zhenghe Foundry, is rising with strength and precision, forging reliability and trust for the world's energy and industrial sectors. As one of the group's three major casting bases, the Zhenghe facility focuses on large diameter, high pressure, and special alloy valve castings, a solid foundation for the group's valve body manufacturing. Here, manufacturing is not just a process, it's an attitude, a pursuit of perfection and a commitment to quality. Every casting begins with precise design and standardized production. From mold forming to metal melting, from cooling and shaping to surface finishing, each step carries data, experience, and responsibility. After cooling, cleaning, and grinding, the casting reveals its solid core, a framework built to last. In heat treatment and testing, science and experience work together to enhance stability and strength, ensuring that every product stands firm under the toughest conditions. This is more than a production line, it's a complete system, connecting R&D, manufacturing, and quality control. It represents the Lianggu manufacturing standard, and our promise of safety and long-term trust. Across our three casting bases, Fujian Zhenghe, Lishui Qingtian, and Lishui Longquan, Lianggu has built a casting network that guarantees consistency, quality, and reliable delivery. With a strong industrial chain, advanced products, and reliable service, Lianggu Valve Group safeguards engineering safety and supports industrial growth in energy, power, petrochemical, metallurgy, and new energy sectors. Lianggu Valve Group, your trusted partner in integrated valve solutions.